Greetings and welcome once again to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel, and today I'm going to discuss a topic that was brought up in our new calculus Discord. And so somebody posted a comment here about, that idiot David Hilbert, and also about Foucault and Bourdieu. Um, Now, in this video, it states that basically any talk on a particular subject would have to include at least 10% incomprehensible crap. And the reason for that is that if it was clear and everybody comprehended, then they wouldn't think much of it. So my idea is that in reality, it's closer to 95% crap. And in my opinion, you can take any mathematics dissertation, strip away the actual mathematics, and what remains is a steaming pile of shit. Okay, it's a heap of jargon and filler, which is about 95% of the original. So if there's even as much as 5% mathematics in a PhD dissertation, that's a lot. Okay, that's actually much more than you'll get in most PhDs. So then you'll hear the Markus Klyvers of the world, that little idiot from Sweden, and many other idiots like he, who will say, "But mathematics is not about measure and number." It isn't really, really. Okay, so let's consider some of the following concepts in mathematics. By the way, let's begin. Pure mathematics: magnitude, ratio, proportion, measure, counting, cardinality, ordinality, dimension, norm, metric, probability, expectation, surface measure, standard deviation, limit, convergence, eigenvalue, product. I'm not even reading all of them, by the way. There are just too many to read, okay? Curl, Jacobian determinant, integral, line integral, just randomly reading here. Fourier coefficients, centroid, and the list just goes on and on and on and on, okay? Every single one of these concepts doesn't exist without the concept of number. So this list is deliberately broad and inclusive. It cuts across all of mathematics, including the so-called abstract mathematics. And by the way, these are just a few of all the fields, and they all involve numbers and measures. So next time you hear some fucking idiot say, "But mathematics is not about measure and numbers," then think about what I've just told you. Nothing says crank louder than a mainstream math academic of the mainstream math cabal, because they are a cabal, okay? There's very little difference between mainstream mathematicians, as they call themselves. They're not even mathematician sphincters, but they like to think they are mathematicians. There's no difference between them and, let's say, a religious cult. If you're not already a subscriber to my new calculus channel, please subscribe, click like, and follow me on Academia.edu. Also join my members only channel for a mere $4.99 a month to learn about things that I normally don't share with the public. I'm John Gabriel. Till next time, goodbye.